far where I come from.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense. But nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never just unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then it's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself.
Yeah, practice what you preach.
Yo, good morning.
Oh my gosh. This mic was on mute. I was over here talking. You didn't hear anything before that, right?
Nope.
Alright. So, basically what I'm saying is, looking at the 15-minute time frame. Matter of fact, I'll share my screen. And we got like 4 minutes to open. This will be quicker.
Nothing's probably gonna happen. I was speaking out to him.
I'm sharing my screen real quick. What I'm looking at is on the 15-minute, I looked at my projections from Friday's high to Sunday's low using the 15-minute piece. I'm thinking that we could potentially get back to the high this week. I'm looking at two standard deviations, which is 23.
Okay.
We did really bad as well. I realized that. I didn't mean to interrupt. Go ahead.
No, go ahead. You can finish your thought. Yeah. I was gonna say I didn't really look at a higher outlook for the rest of the week yet, just because it's Tuesday. So I can't really disagree or agree with what you've shared. Yeah, we're not far from all-time high at all. I'm looking at NQ1, it's showing all-time high as 22,425. So we're less than 200 points away from it. So I might be right about. I know you said we might not get there this week, but we actually might.
No, I think we get there this week. I just don't know if we're gonna get there today.
Oh, today, yeah, not bad. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. NQ's close to it too.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I slept
Saying
in
that
hard.
I feel
that's
like
the
we
bell.
get to all-time high this week. Maybe not today, but I think we get to all-time high this week. I'm using
What do you,
Friday's high to Sunday's low as projections.
You're looking for this morning?
Well, it could just consolidate, but we're in the upper half of the daily fair value gap. As much as I would love a dip down back to regular trading hours, I could see us just creating equal high, equal lows, taking a small minor liquidity and go up. So honestly, I'm just looking for a bullish setup. To be honest with you, it doesn't have to dip as low as I would want it to. If that first fair value gap is bullish, I'm taking it.
Okay.
Working with a humongous RTH gap. That gap itself is 208 points, so that's interesting.
Any news?
I think
Powell speaks at 10. Both
Oh, he
today
does.
and tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Powell, Powell, Peasy at 10.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
So
Is
is
that gonna
red
be
when
an
he
emergency?
talks.
So
Yeah, I hope he stands firm on freaking.
I think, yo, what if he says emergency rate cut?
Nope.
You don't think so?
I'm in this firm, and I'm right there with them. Yeah.
No, some country did one last Friday or over the weekend. That might put some pressure on us.
Yeah, the tariffs are still uncertain. That's his. And that's why he's standing firm. But why would you cut rates?
So we gotta hold tight.
You don't need rate cuts if the U.S. is gonna jump in this war.
That's already over, bro. What are you talking about?
Is it?
Yeah, it's not.
That thing changes like every 15 minutes.
Oh.
It's not
shit.
over.
Damn, I go
That
to
was-
sleep with a fucking.
They're bombing each other overnight. It's not over.
Okay, I was dead to the world. Okay.
And war makes DXY bullish.
Yeah. All right. So if we're back in war, yeah, we're bullish then. War is bullish for the market. Okay. I agree. Okay, so we have no choice but to wait for Powell to fucking nuke us. Right? I'm looking at a nice 1 hour for very imbalance around 22,160. that could be a nice area of interest for us to dip down into before we start taking buy side.
I'm paying attention to the one that happened at 1 a.m.
At 1 a.m.
Yeah, notice how the 1 hour bodies are just rejecting the halfway mark. I don't know if it's gonna break that.
Okay.
Plus that order block there. They're doing Asia or the chop.
What's my friend?
It's still on the 1 hour.
Okay. Oh, you got that beefy down close candle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're right. We tapped into that already, though.
It did. What I'm saying is, look at all the 1 hour candle bodies. They're failing to close halfway through that 1 hour.
You're exactly right. You're exactly right. Wow, what a catch.
Mm-hmm. It's doing it for both of them too. So if it breaks it, sure, we run down. But it's been struggling to break it overnight.
What a catch. Oh man. Damn, that would have escaped me just initially. And I mean, to be fair, we were just below 8:30 open and 9:30 open. You know, that might be enough.
London lows for both isn't value gap. They both took out London lows. So, and there's already S&T that happened at 8:30 open.
Oh wow.
And that S&T still holding. I want to see what happens with a displacement.
Where do we have that? Oh, we have the SMT from the, hold on, give me a second.
8:30 lows.
350 to 725.
Just look at 8:30 lows on 80 time frames. Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, fuck. We might fucking face rip.
If it face rips,
If I get it.
Would that be
Bro, we might get a face ripper here, man.
Let's see.
Especially, I mean, the first 5 minutes were all below 8:30 and 9:30 open, above midnight. You had the divergence. It held. Boy, Powell's coming out with rate cuts.
I doubt it.
This thing is going to fucking the moon.
Setup.
I'm at my boy's place in West Palm, so he's getting to see how we cook in the lab.
Nice. That's what's up. He don't trade?
He doesn't know about the ghost yet.
Mm-hmm.
He's only heard whispers.
That's why you're the ghost, man.
Oh yeah, man. This is set up good for a nice face ripper. Nobody's gonna be expecting it. I'm trying to stay away from the 1 minute. So have we gotten a first fair value gap yet? Probably not, right?
Nope.
Mm-hmm. But ES not key.
Yeah, these bodies are small. All right, so it's waiting for Powell. Okay. I got a couple stocks up that I'm looking at too, so trying to take this personal challenge account from $500 to 100,000.
You said 500 to 1,000?
To 100,000.
Nice.
It's already almost at 1,000 just in one day, in one trade. Remember yesterday?
I say just don't give yourself a time frame.
No, there is no time frame. It's just I'm focusing on quality trades over just trying to run it up for the sake of running it up. and taking a bad trade, you know. I'm looking for more quality, and plus I got this, I think I got this screener dialed in.
This thing's been in a box
all overnight. It's disgusting.
Yeah, that's good though, because that means it's gonna want to party. Definitely gonna want to party. It's alright, it's waiting for Pal, nothing wrong with that. We wait till 10 o'clock. Easy. Man, I slept hard. That was a good show last night too. It was a good one, yeah. The video is showing early stream.
D, whatever you're doing for your voice today, keep that.
Who, me?
Yeah, you sound good. I was just listening to the live stream to make sure everybody's coming through.
Oh, I'm in a room with basically I guess it's like a little, it's just echoing my voice, I guess.
It's not the
there's no
room,
echo. You don't have an issue at all, from what I heard.
It's because you muted the thing yesterday, remember? The same thing that I did basically. What do you...
Nah, his thing is not muted, but for some reason it's coming out clean.
Okay.
Coming out clean. I'm pretty sure this opening is anticlimactic.
Oh, that's right. I'm supposed to mute myself and my microphone, right?
Nah, don't do anything right now.
it.
Just keep it the way it is.
Just leave it?
Yeah, just leave it.
Okay.
All right,
384.
We got a first fair value gap on NQ now. ES.
I want to trade up to 384.
Keep going up.
Yeah, video is really trying to move. Shit.
Alright, so breakaway.
Did we miss the
Let me know when we get a let me know when we get a 1 minute.
There's
1
two
minute
of
with
them.
gap? There is there now.
Oh, the first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even like marking up volume imbalances, but it dipped into one at 9.
Live on YouTube. Support us. What's your channel called again?
These nuts.
C Rose Cap. That was a good one.
T Rose Capital.
I need more enthusiasm though, Nip.
Yeah, my bad. Stiaz and Cat.
Did you watch the little clips I posted in the Discord?
Yeah.
You know what? I did see it.
You didn't watch them?
I need more. I think I did. I like the second one.
Yeah.
But I was wondering with those clips though, if there's a way to because the clip itself, the segment itself is fine, but then it kind of like crops me out or crops you out. while
It tries to get whoever. It tries to get whoever's speaking.
whoever's speaking.
Yeah. So it's automatically doing it. To be honest.
Gotcha. Well, keep playing with it, man. It looks good. It's definitely a start.
Nothing. Okay. Give me a second. Damn it, video's fucking running. Video with a monster push.
And I'm probably gonna be.
You got Telegram on your computer too? Right, it's coming.
Okay, he is showing me signs that it wants to drop. Let me see if this is just a retracement before going up.
My video's fucking raging. I want to take a speculative buy on NQ.
I ain't gonna lie, me too. I'm like, that could be a good buy setup. But I'm trying to be patient so that it's clean. I mean, it is a. You had 939 dip into volume
Order
imbalance,
filled.
and then it just tapped into the first fair value gap. So it could just be going up.
And these are the end of more.
I heard the order filled. I'm like, I don't know if that's.
Yeah.
I thought that was you, Nips, or D.
Nah,
Yeah, that's
I'm
me.
a silent killer, bro. I tell you.
You gotta wait 2 minutes before you say something.
Right.
That probably it. That probably was it right there. To be honest. And we can go on just to take London highs.
That's what I'm looking at. 384. 384 looks really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy on ES.
ES was a little cleaner.
Yep. I don't know. My chart would just happen to be on ES, and I just hit buy. So I mean, it's all the same, right?
Yeah. What I don't like is the equal lows that ES has.
Well, I had a 3 minute down close candle in what looks to be an upwards, the start of an uptrend. So, what better time to buy than a full 3 minute down close candle? You know?
That was a good key figure too.
Damn, man, there's heavy fucking volume coming in on Nvidia. What do they know?
Oh man, charted too much.
So I got this. Is there NEPs for that what is it called? Trade now?
Trade day.
Trade day? Is there a consistency rule? Like for the challenge? What is it? 50%?
I think 30. You just have to pass. There's nothing to you have to pass.
So what? Don't make more than what? How much on the first day?
Yo, what the heck? I was in a trade. I was up $500.
You was in a trade you didn't know about?
No.
Yeah.
I was already in it. My thing is, I was up
Oh.
500. Okay, can I finish? I was trailing the stop, and then it came back and it hit my stop. Now I'm down negative $700.
Oh, what the fuck? How's that possible? We haven't.
I
even
don't-
moved yet.
But you really wasn't.
No, I was. Yes, I was from the S&P. And then instead of
Yeah.
being up
Remember that?
500,
Okay.
I just.
You're hilarious.
I was in a trade way before market open, before we even got on.
I know. What is this going on? What is it? Reversing?
Some internal liquidity. I don't think it doesn't really know what it wants to do, right? It's waiting for Powell. It's waiting for 10 o'clock.
950 macros.
It might want to take out the 930 low. Take out early buyers. Oh, we got some divergence at these lows right here. This internal liquidity. See how deep it wants to go.
Let's see what it looks like on it.
Should be enough.
I'm cycling through time frames now. And just don't trust anything. Hello, can y'all hear me clearly?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Making sure that my volume is up.
Whoever comes up with this some bullshit.
Honestly, think I'm like, you know, this is-
See those video plugs, guys? The back plus the oh yeah. And they just put an exhaust on the last 5 minutes too. I think with Powell is the direction on the data sequences.
All right, I'm rolling with NVIDIA calls for today.
It's about to go below that, first gap. You doing the 0 day, D?
No, that's a week.
Order filled.
It's weeklies for regular stocks.
Okay. I was just gonna say, I don't think today is a good day for any 0 days, man. 'Cause this thing can play around for a long time and just eat away at that time. Okay?
do or don't?
I do. Short leash. Very, very short leash. I'm looking at below.
I see it as just the internal liquidity.
And you could be right too. You could be right too. What I'm looking at is to see what happens with this first fair value gap. If it plays around with it and continues to go down and out. Because ES is looking like it wants to dip a little bit more. Not in major. I don't think we're going to go so far down that we close the gap, but I want to see if we dip into that 933 candle a little bit. Looking at NQ here.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just risking a couple $100 here. I'm keeping it small and then seeing if we do go down. But if not, I'm probably just gonna wait till post power. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. All these wicks on the 15-minute are nasty.
Oh, very nasty. Very nasty.
I may have caught the dip on the video.
Isn't the video moving now? Because I don't be staring at the stuff too much.
Well, it gave me a nice, opposing candles and an uptrend.
Nice.
So I bought.
They're not even moving on night too. Look at ES going down again while NQ goes up. Oh, not me. Knock me out that trade. Ain't got the stop losses. When you look at stocks like Nvidia, right? Are you looking at it on what time frame do you use?
3 minute,
3 minutes?
3 minute, and the 1 minute.
You look at stocks on a 1 minute?
Yeah, of course.
Nice.
They're more prone to either continue or reverse and not consolidate. So if it's gonna move, it's gonna move. Yeah, this thing's just waiting for 10 o'clock.
Yeah, gotta wait. Did Nip say he went to a meeting?
I don't know. I didn't hear him say anything.
I didn't say anything. I said yeah.
Oh, because you left. I was like,
I never left.
you just off on video?
Oh yeah, I had gotten up to do something,
Oh,
but
gotcha, gotcha.
I have headphones on, so I never actually left.
Did I get stopped out right before it take? Yeah. Or is this the manipulative move right before power speaks?
Let's see what happens when he has clear 830 lows. Hopefully that's the true SMT.
Alright, 30 seconds. It'd be crazy if it just does nothing.
Yeah, that's a possibility.
Is he going live or?
I don't know. And what is it actually? He's speaking, but is it like a testimony? Is he testifying? Because there's times where he be speaking, but he's just at like some kind of like symposium.
He is testifying.
Okay. I've seen people say power speaking and then it's a red folder, but then when I look, he's just at some college symposium answering questions.
Yeah.
But it's just crazy to show like anytime he speaks, the market can react. There gotta be a lot of power. Like you gotta watch your words.
You haven't started yet. Everybody's saying buy gold, buy gold. Yeah, that same divergence. You're looking at it from the
You cut out Nick. I don't know what happened. You said I'm looking.
You're looking at it
the-
9:30 and 9:59.
Basically at 10 o'clock, 9:59 and 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm looking at it from 8:30. Yeah,
I see the 8:30 as well, where ES made a lower low, and then I'm also looking at what just happened at 10 o'clock candle, a lower low.
Mhm.
On ES.
This man's not even in the courtroom yet.
This consolidation. Like, pick a direction already. I'm only staying online till about 11 today, though. By the way. So I got another hour to find a trade. I got a couple errands to run later. Looks disgusting. 5-minute looks disgusting.
I mean, with all that we've been given so far, I mean, it's looking good for some buys. Unless,
It might as well. Consolidation continuation.
yeah. So far, it's looking good for buys, but it doesn't want to show its hand yet for whatever reason. I mean, the buys look so good.
The algo is accumulating orders.
Sure is.
I feel like I need to go to the gym today.
I'm gonna enter a buy after this candle close.
Yeah. Buys look real good.
I don't know about
I
real
just
good.
don't know where I put my stop loss.
What do you mean? Right under that down close candle.
I'm putting mine under the SMT at 959. But it's refusing to close above the first Fair Valley gap. I wanted to use that.
It's right inside that bitch, huh?
Yep. Just want a body to close above it.
It's been playing around this white balance area. I'ma chill. If I miss it, I miss it. I just don't trust it.
Yesterday's price action was so nice and clean.
Oh yeah.
And then they go back to this bullshit, this consolidation shit.
They said we ain't gonna give it to you twice.
Alright. They finally joined in the room. Can you guys hear that?
Here,
I
what?
heard you say finally joined in the room, and I heard something knock. That's all I heard.
Let me just load the volume in.
Are you trying to make us hear something?
The thing started it. The chairman
You
is
talking
speaking
about
before this. Yeah.
Where is he talking
ain't
to?
talking.
Are you talking about the court
He's
thing?
testifying before Congress. Yeah.
Okay. Price could play
He still
around
hasn't started yet?
Mm-mm.
Price is probably gonna play around then.
Everybody on the YouTube chat are selling in queue right now.
And what YouTube channel?
CNBC, why I'm watching this.
Market makers will probably give it to you.
I'm in a buy with 5 macros.
God damn!
Yep. Pick me up.
CNBC.
This is the most Republican chairman in the world.
CNBC?
Not CNBC, the chairman in Congress.
Oh. Well,
I mean, they're all Republican, but I mean, like this guy is just a whole different level of Republican.
what's wrong with Republicans, bro? I'm a Republican.
You can be a Republican and not be MAGA. He's basically saying, Daddy Trump, everything Daddy Trump. I love Trump.
Put my phone on a charger.
Is that strong bearish candle indication of?
I don't know. Powell didn't take the chair seat yet.
Powell's
Who has
candle.
this?
Right.
Still not talking? Alright, so the market is just full consolidation.
This just is like seeking destroy to me. You know?
It might tank. We're still above midnight this entire time.
I was definitely at premium of the range. But I don't know. You know, my only thing is that even though we're at a premium of the range, yesterday's move I just don't think was complete. And so when I think about yesterday's move, in my mind I'm like, man, like, where are we, right? It could go ahead and reverse or just take minor. It doesn't need much of a sell-side liquidity. That's why I was like, man, I don't know if the divergences will hold. Because I think a lot of people want to sell. A lot of people want to sell to close that gap. A lot of people want to sell as a retracement and buy the dip, you know? And so it could just... I was hoping that we just get a bullish move and it just take off and doesn't allow people to really jump in as much. But I think with news and everything and Powell, it's just going to sit there and manipulate. So I don't know what it's going to do. I would love me some shorts. I tried the shorts and I got stopped out. But maybe my stops was a little too tight, maybe. But I just don't see anything right now that I can really trust.
Yeah, there's no clear direction. No clear direction at all.
Alright. He's about to take the stand. Alright, he just been recognized for 5 minutes. Yeah, he's talking now.
Waiting for him to say, you know, the Federal Reserve did not take into account political affiliations. You know, we're not concerned about what Republicans want to do, what Democrats want to do. still working towards 2% inflation. I've been hearing the same spiel for years, bro.
You got that down pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Wow, what a boring fucking morning.
Uh-oh.
I think this
Nvidia
thing's
looking
gonna want-
good.
I think he's just gonna want to take buy side. I think, like out of nowhere.
Nvidia looking good.
All right, now I bought that dip again.
Nice.
I bought the dip. I'm up. I'm only up 6%. Yeah, man, that's brutal.
Worth just waiting for, honestly.
You ever thought about that? And you ever look back and say, man, I really watched 60 candles form. I sat and watched 60 candles form. Hey, you ever think about how much time we'd be on the charts?
Yeah, a lot of time. Yeah, buddy.
I just took a peek at it.
I told you there was a lot of flow coming in the video. That's why I said, what do they know? They know something. That's why I jumped in their calls. I hope it translates to a nice up day. I mean, I'm in a weekly, but if this thing wants to run fucking $10 today, you know what I mean? I'll gladly take my profits and close.
Why not? I do think we get the all-time high.
I know. This week?
This week. I just don't know if it's gonna be today, but this week.
Nah, not today. This was looking good. I mean, this is a buy. We're back in buy territory. Are we not? Oh, actually, hold on.
We're back above the first market open gap.
You're right. And we're back above midnight.
Too bad.
We dipped below midnight. Yeah, we're bullish, bro. We're bullish. This is for the boys right here. Let's go.
This my opportunity right here. This my buy right
This
here.
dip right here.
Is this dip right here it?
Yep.
Alright, let me give this a shot.
That's it right there. Right back into this fair value gap. First fair value gap.
So
No better.
I'm looking at, I want that gap at 949 to become an inversion and support higher prices.
Why would you want that gap to be the inversion and not the first fair value gap that we just did?
Well, the first fair value gap, that would become more like a reclaimed, right? To support it bullish. I'm looking at the 949 was a bearish fair value gap, so I want that to be an inversion to support higher prices.
Okay.
But my stop loss is at 293. Below that, below the 1014 candle.
I mean, right now on the 15 minutes, all it's doing is sweeping highs and lows. So far. So we need a break out of this area. So if we can get a nice break out of this area, that will certainly confirm the direction. But as long as we're messing around in this area, it's gonna be choppy.
I tell you this, if I take another L, I'm done for the day. I lost a couple $100 on the shorts, and now on the longs. If we turn around and keep going down, today just ain't my day. I'm not gonna keep tagging it, keep stab at it. It really could just become a nasty seek and destroy day, but I'm looking for continuation with all of you.
Yeah, I
So
mean,
here
so
in
far,
NVIDIA, let's see, let me look at NVIDIA. I'm only looking at it because you're in it, but okay.
Is Powell speaking yet?
Yeah, he's speaking right now.
Okay.
I'll probably move to break even once we take these highs at 333. And
Yeah.
then just try to trail it. That's what I want to do. But I do want London's high at 2384. But I'm looking at 352, maybe take a partial and that will run and just see what happens today.
It's really just in a fucking disgusting little range. Get away from here.
It might be best just to wait until he stops talking.
Yeah, like what is it waiting for? What is he testifying about? Go ahead.
Like, it looks like it just wants to go, right?
It really does.
It's
I mean,
I'm underneath the candle, like,
blow on that thing a little bit.
yeah, man, pause.
Y'all see the quote I put on the back of the t-shirt?
Nah, I didn't look at all the t-shirts. You talking about
I put it in the Telegram.
Telegram?
Yeah, check it out later.
Just go back to my entry. I don't want profits anymore. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I might just call this a day, man.
It's honestly not a bad move, man. I want you on video, Neps. I want to see your facial expressions as this
What the
market
heck?
moves,
Not
man.
even.
You know?
The market is not moving.
We want to see when you're stressed out.
I'm not stressed because there's shit happening.
When these candles move. Like, if you ever look at other people's live stream, like, you can tell when a trader's like stressed out, trying to hold it together sometimes. You know, it's like, damn, like they just want to rip their hair out. You know? I'm just kidding, by the way. You didn't have to be on camera if you don't want to.
I'm actually getting up to go to the bathroom. I might just call it a day here.
Hey, man, your body, your choice.
I still, but not in this Trump's America. But I still go to 384 though. It would be nice.
At this rate, it might not get there today.
You're offline right now, or you're in this meeting?
Probably 10:30.
If it comes down to the 5-minute fair value gap,
Ugh.
finish my statement.
Ooh.
I was gonna say I'll buy, but
Tesla's
good thing I didn't.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let it stop me out if it takes me out. Yeah. Look, it's playing around with that volume and balance. Like, literally right to the tick of that.
What is it rejecting?
It's that volume and balance. On NQ, there's a volume and balance between 934 and 935 candles. I've been playing around that all morning. I don't like volume imbalances, and I don't trade them at all, but oftentimes do make it tough as well. My stop loss is right underneath that, so if it goes down, I'm like, hey, call it a day.
So it You tested the 5 minute that I was talking about. I should probably just give it a shot. Because I do want it to go to London.
I just say give it one shot, man. You know, because
Let's try not to.
we can be right about the direction and be wrong about the trade, and that happens to me too many times, too often. And it's like at the end of the day, it's like, man, had I only waited. I go back and look at the charts and like, had I only waited for this specific setup. So like, I'm like, yo, I give myself, you know, and I'm trying to convince myself as I'm talking to you guys, you know, but, you know, hey, give it 1 or 2 shots, you know, not risking too much. And then if it doesn't work out, man, either wait for the PM session or wait for tomorrow. Because what ends
Yeah.
up happening is, you know, the more L's we take, and I'm speaking for me, if I take like 3 L's in a row, I'm like, damn, what's going on? You know? But I've oftentimes to look back and look at my entries and exits. It's like, damn, all my L's was around the same area. I bought and
Yes.
sold in the same exact area, bro. So it's like, yo, the algo is definitely doing something, man, and it's definitely not in your favor. And so if today's not optimal, even if it goes in your direction, it just is what it is. It just is what it is. We all ate yesterday, so you know, don't risk more than yesterday's profits. That's what I'm telling myself. Don't give back all the money I made yesterday. Or at least not in
I
one
got in a
session.
buy. I'm just gonna let it run.
Close your eyes and buy, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
Just close your eyes and buy.
Listen, man, we all in buys, man. I don't know
I
how
gotta
much you
put
guys
that on.
believe in this.
I gotta put that on a shirt.
Should fall, take it out.
What, close your eyes and buy?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes and buy.
Yeah. And stomps only go up. You gotta have it.
That's right. I gotta make that one too.
Alright. I'm in at 22. 308,
What?
basically at
Your
that.
voice keep cutting out.
22,308. That's
I
at the
ain't
5
mad
minute
at you.
Fair Value gap.
I
Yeah, my stop is below the order block at 1010, like the body of that down close candle. And I'm just gonna let it do what it do. I'm just gonna get off. I'm gonna set an alert for my tick profit
You said you're gonna set alert for your take profit.
and one for my stop loss. So whatever comes first.
I like it.
But
I like it.
I'm out of here. I'm risking about what?
5%.
Yeah, $300 and change.
Okay. Listen, don't keep checking your alerts on your phone.
Nah, I actually have to use the bathroom and go to work. I'm out.
Nah, do your thing, bro.
All
I'll
right, man.
update you guys on the chat.
Yep.
Have you heard about how AI is being used to manipulate the markets? I first heard it from Yusuf, and then ICT touched base on it recently on why he.
What'd he
doesn't
say?
wanna- He said the reason why two reasons why he doesn't want to trade live. I didn't listen to the whole thing, so I don't know if he stated more. But number one, he doesn't want everybody to copy him, which he's always stated. But number two, he said there was one time that he did trade live, and he was looking for a particular target, and it just wasn't fulfilled. And so he said, if everybody's trying to copy my trades, then it's gonna take away his edge off, and so that means that he may not get filled. Now he was like, somebody else might get filled, but he may not. And so it seems like what he was alluding to was that, I mean, there is something to it. The first thing I thought about to myself, I said, wait, so there is a such thing as buying pressure and selling pressure, you know?
No.
But not that it controls the market, but it can affect orders being filled. And if that is the case, he also mentioned about AI and how
I think Aladdin can create orders.
Aladdin.
I think Aladdin can create opposing orders and then just hoping that later on they have the money to cover it. Does that make sense? Like so like say like they're trying to Aladdin.
What is Aladdin?
Oh boy, you better go do some research.
Is Aladdin the algo?
I think it can create opposing orders. So if there's a heavy influx of buys, right? I think it can just automatically create those sell orders. Because what's more prone to happen? The user, the person is going to lose, or the computer is going to lose.
Orders?
Right.
Okay, I get what you're saying. I get exactly what you're saying. I mean, I honestly think the algo can do that to try to balance out.
Yeah.
The whole point is for the market to be efficient, right?
Appear fair.
At least appear fair. No, not even appear fair. I'm just talking about being efficient.
No.
Like that's the one rule that has to happen, right? That it has to be efficient.
Yeah.
So
That's what it's doing, right? It's looking for liquidity or it's looking for inefficiencies, right? That's it.
yeah.
So
And the
I really
algo
hate
can
that this.
manufacture liquidity when it's not there, right? That's the whole
Yes.
point of like low volume. So if it's not there, it's going to create the liquidity.
Yep. I really hate how this morning is a wash so far. I am up 3%, nothing crazy, because we've been time decay.
Yeah. I mean, I was down $600, so I've recovered about half of it so far. I'm just letting this ride, but even if it does come all the way back down to my stop loss, I'm still not risking more than what I made on yesterday. When I mentioned that epiphany that I had yesterday about like, yo man, the devil is just an enemy of progress, man. And so it's like, hey, if it keeps playing around between now and 11 o'clock, if we're still in the same exact area, I'm probably just gonna close with, hey, say, hey, you know what? I lost $300 today, but I made like 22 yesterday. I think I was up like $2,700 with the PM session. So it's, hey man, just keep making progress.
I hear you.
I wonder if he's still testifying. Because it'll probably move once he's done testifying. Yeah, he's still testifying. The wicks on the bottom of the 15-minute candles are nasty. But I'm looking at the bodies, and the bodies tell me, that we want to go up. The bodies tell me that we retrace to, top of Asia's high, which could be, bullish breaker on the 15-minute. 5-minute just looks consolidation.
Yeah, we just need to get out of this range, man. That's really it.
Yeah. What I'm not gonna do is move my stop loss. So I'm probably gonna pull a Nips, man, and just probably set some alerts too and head out soon. It's 10:50.
Yeah, I mean, fuck it, right? There's no point. I mean, we're just stuck in this consolidation, and to be honest, I mean, at this point, I don't see it moving. The only time it may want to do something is at 11, and if it doesn't do anything at 11, then it's gonna be flat till 1:30. So, yeah. If you want to cut the stream, I mean, this is probably the best time to do it. We haven't gone anywhere. We haven't gone anywhere since 3 a.m. The market hasn't gone anywhere since 3 a.m. So that's 6 hours of consolidation.
Alright, so I got 2 alerts. One I just had like a low near stop loss, and then the other I'm gonna put near 349. Are we moving now? Which is, I just put it high, break the structure. And I'm not even gonna look at the 1 minute no more. I'm just staring at the 5 minute.
Well, actually, we got this 1050 macro.
Man, there's too many macros, man, to keep counting.
I know, right? But there's a certain time certain ones do things.
There we go. We got some candles.
I'll take this. I'll take a 50-point ripper right here.
I can close right now and recover all my losses and be up $50 for the day.
Hell
$100
yeah.
now. I'm gonna let this ride. But I'm gonna move my. If we go to 350 before I close this stream, I'm just gonna move my stop loss to break even. Honestly, I'm gonna break even right now to look at this 15-minute candle. You know what? I'm gonna do that.
I mean, right?
I'm moving to break even right now, so my stop loss is at 314. If it comes down, it wasn't meant to be. So my stop loss is at 315, and I'm just gonna let this ride. Yep,
I
let
like
this
it.
ride, bro.
I like it.
Go ahead and close the stream and call it a day. Yes, sir.
Sounds good, sir.
All right, man.
All right, man.
Revsing. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Revsing. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now.